This gas 2020 Forest River Sunseeker LE is for sale by owner and is being marketed with the help of National Vehicle, the world's largest for sale by owner RV marketplace. Imagine heading off to all of your favorite destinations in this Forest River Sunseeker LE. This unit has a slide-out that significantly increases the usable space. This RV is powered by a Chevrolet 4500 engine. Contact one of National Vehicle's friendly representatives today, and let's get your journey started. Visit this RV listing by clicking our link in the description below.